Hello students, I am Mohammad Asim and we are doing O-level mathematics. Our today's topic is same as we did in last class, standard form. In last lecture we did some questions from past papers of standard form. Today we will continue the same topic and past papers, more past papers of standard form. See this question number 1. The mass and diameters of the planets in the inner solar system are shown in the table. The table is given in the question. Planets: Mercury, Venus, Earth, and the masses in kilogram also given. The mass of Mercury 3.30 10 to power 23 kilogram. The mass of Venus 4.87 10 to power 24 kilogram. The mass of Earth 5.97 10 to power 24 kilogram. And the mass of Mars is given 6.42 10 to power 23 kilogram. Also the diameters is given. The diameter of Mercury is 4880 kilometer. Venus 12100 kilometer. Earth 12800 kilometer. Mars 6790 kilometer. What is the question? Question is, this question came in June 2002, June 2010, paper 2, question number 5. So paper 2 means calculator is allowed. We can use calculators to solve this question because this question is from paper 2. Part A. List the planets in order of mass starting with the lowest. We have to just write the name of the planets, the smallest mass and the bigger mass and the bigger mass and the bigger mass. So what is the smallest mass among all 4 planets? The power of 10 tells you the lowest or the largest or biggest mass. See, the Mercury 3.30 10 to power 23, 10 to power 24, 10 to power 24, 10 to power 23. So obviously 10 to power 23 is lowest than 10 to power 24. But there are 2 planets which have power 10 to power 23. One is Mercury and one is Mars. But if you look carefully, this is 3.30, this is 6.42. Obviously 3.30 is less than 6.42. Hence the smallest mass in this table is Mercury mass. So first number is Mercury. Obviously the second one is Mars. Now we have to decide after Mars which number is occur, Venus or Earth, because both 10 to power are 24, but 4.87 is less than 5.97. Therefore the third number should be Venus and the fourth number should be Earth. Hence the lowest mass is Mercury and the largest or highest mass is Earth. So this is the answer of part A. It's very easy, 1 mark question. Part B. Find the radius in kilometer of Mars, giving your answer correct to one significant figure. Student, there are 2 requirements. First we have to find the radius of Mars and then give the answer in one significant figure. How to find the radius? With the help of diameter. If we divide the diameter by 2, we will get the radius. So radius of the Mars, radius means diameter upon 2. What is the diameter of the Mars? Given 6790. 6790, if you calculate by using calculator, 6790 divided by 2 is 3395. But if you write 3395, the answer is not acceptable because the requirement is to give the answer correct to one significant figures. Here are 4 significant figures. So how to convert 4 significant figures to 300 to one significant figure. This is 3395. So a number which is close to 3395 is 3000 kilometer. How many significant figures in 3000? Only one significant figure, because all these threes are non-significant. Therefore 3000 kilometer is the answer. 3000 is nearest to 3395. Okay, so this is the answer of part B. Now C. Part C is giving your answer in standard form. Find the total mass in kilogram of Venus and Mars. It's very easy. We have to just calculate the total mass of Venus and Mars. What is the mass of Venus? 4.87 10 to power 24, plus what is the mass of Mars is 6.42 10 to power 23. You know, as I told you earlier, that we cannot add two different 10 to powers, like this is 10 to power 24, this is 10 to power 23. We cannot add unless the power should be same. So whether you can convert this 24 into 23 or this 23 into 24, you will get same answer. So I converted this 23 into 24 by moving this decimal to this side after one digit. So this 6.42 becomes 0.642, and this 10 to power 23 obviously 24, because one digit move means one power add, one number add. So 4.87 plus 10 to power 24 plus 0.642 10 to power 24, add by using calculator, you will get 5.51 10 to power 24 kilogram. And another thing is, because this is paper 2 question, so if you directly add these two, you can also get the answer. But keep in mind, you should give the final answer in standard form. Your answer should be standard form. So if you use the calculator and your answer is not in standard form, you must write the answer in standard form. Otherwise, your marks will be deducted. So I hope you understand. This question came in June 2010, paper 2, question number 5. So these are the word problems of standard form. See one more question. I choose only word problems because word problem student feels difficulty to do word problems of any topic. Next question is June 2013, paper 1. June 2013, paper 1. This is my question number 22, and the question is, the table shows information about the annual coffee production of some countries in 2010. Here are countries: Brazil, Vietnam, Colombia, and Indonesia. And number of bags per year. Brazil is empty, and Vietnam is 1.2 85 10 is to power 7. Colombia is 9.2 10 is to power 6. Indonesia is 8.5 10 is to power 6. So this is the table given in the question. What is the requirement? Part A. In 2010, Brazil produced 48 million bags of coffee. Complete the table with the coffee production for Brazil using standard form. Okay, now see the question. The table shows information about the annual coffee production of some countries in 2010. So they are talking about the coffee production. Brazil, number of bags per year not given. Vietnam 1.85 10 to power 7. Colombia 9.2 10 to power 6. Indonesia 8.5 10 to power 6. In 2010, Brazil produced 48 million bags of coffee. Complete the table with the coffee production. So solution of part A is Brazil produced 48 million. 48 million means 1 million means 1 and 6 zeros. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. But we have to give the answer in using standard form. Place the point, move this point to this side. So our answer is 4.8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. If we move from right to left, the 10 to power must be positive. So our answer is 4.8 10 to power 7. So we have to write 4.8 10 to power 7 over here. This is our answer of part B. This is very easy, isn't it? You just know the information, what is the meaning of million, then you can write the answer easily. Part B. Part B is how many more bags of coffee were produced in Vietnam than in Colombia. So in this part we have to find the number of bags of Vietnam as compared to Colombia. See, Vietnam produced 1.85 10 to power 7 and Colombia produced 9.2 10 to power 6. So obviously Vietnam is produced more. So a solution of this part is you just subtract 1.85 10 to power 7 minus 9.2 10 to power 6. Again we cannot subtract unless the power is same. 1.85 10 to power 7, move this point to this side. So this is 0.92 10 to power 7 take 10 to power 7 as a common. 1.85 minus 0.92. So our answer is, after subtracting 1.85 and 0.92 is 5 minus 2 is free, and 18 minus 9 is 0.93. So 0.93 10 to power 7. But 0.93 10 to power 7 is not standard form. So we must convert this into standard form by moving point from right to left. If we move point from right to left, we just subtract one number. Because point moved to one digit, we subtract 1 from 7. 7 minus 1 is 6. So this is the answer of part B. I hope you understand. Now, last part. For last part, I have no space, so I am rubbing this part A, and I hope you understand part A. Last part is C. The mass of a bag of coffee is 60 kilogram. Work out the number of kilograms of coffee produced in Indonesia. Give your answer in standard form. Very easy. First, I want to rub this. What is the question? The question is, the mass of a bag of a coffee is 60 kilogram. Work out the number of kilogram of coffee produced in Indonesia. So these are the number of bags in each country, and the mass of one bag is 60 kilogram. So if we multiply 60 by the number of bags of Indonesia, we will get the total mass. So 60 by 8.5. Because this is paper 1 question, it came from June 2013, paper 1, question number 18. So calculator is not allowed. If you multiply 60 by 8.5, you will get 510 10 to power 6. But this 510 is not in standard form. So move this point to this side, it will get 5.1 10 to power 2 digits, means 2 10 to power 6 is already present. So 5.1 10 to power 2 plus 6, 8 kilogram. So the answer is 5.1 10 to power 8 kilogram. I hope you understand how to get 5.1 10 to power 8 kilogram. So this is another word problem, came in June 2013, paper 1, question number 18. Now, I hope you completely understand this question. Moving to another question. Next question is, Question number 3. This is my question number. Part A. The mass of a dust particle is approximately 0.0000753 kilogram. Write this mass in standard form. Solution. Very easy question. You just convert this number into standard form. How? 0.0000753 becomes point moved to first digit from the left hand side. It will become 7.53 10 to power 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 minus 5. Why minus 5? Because we are moving point from left to right. So 7.53 10 to power minus 5 kilogram is the answer. Part B. Part B is the mass of Earth is 5.972 10s to power 24 kilogram, and the mass of Moon is 7.3 10s to power 22 kilogram. Find the total mass of Earth and Moon, giving your answer in standard form. This question came in November 2015, variant 11. This is not 2, this is variant 11. Question number 16. Because after 2000 variants are changed 11, 12, 13. So this question came in 2015 paper 11, variant 11. Now solution. Solution is very easy, because we just have to add these two masses. Total mass of Earth and Moon is 5.972 plus 5.972 10s to power 24 plus 7.3 10s to power 22. Again, we cannot add two different 10s to power, so we first convert both powers are same. So this is 24, this is 22. If I convert this 24 to 22, we move 2 point after 2 digit. 597.2 10s to power minus 2 into 10s to power 24, 7.3 10s to power 22. This is paper 1 question, so calculator is not allowed. So 597.2 10s to power 24 minus 2, 22, 7.3 10s to power 22. Take 10s to power 22 common from these two, so 597.2 plus 7.3. Now add 597.2 and 7.3, 3 plus 2, 5, 604.5. 604.5 10s to power 22. We must move point to after 2 digit because we need the answer in Standard form 6.045 10 to power, because 2 digit after the decimal, therefore we add 2 over here, 24 kilogram. So the total mass of earth and moon is 6.045 10 to power 24 kilogram. I hope you understand this question. This question came in November 2015, paper 1 question number 16. Okay. Excuse me. See one more question of past papers. Next question is, question number 4. This is my question number. The table shows the populations correct to two significant figures of some African countries in 2014. Country, population. Country is Nigeria. Population is not given. Country is Sudan. Population given 3.6 10 to power 7. Country is Chad. 1.1 10 to power 7. Country is Namibia. Kindly accept my sorry if I am not pronunciation correct, Namibia or Namibia. The population is given 2.2 10 to power 6. So this table is given. Nigeria population is not given. Chad population, Namibia. Now, what is the main question? Question is part A. In 2014, the population of Nigeria was 177,156,000. Question is complete the table with the population of Nigeria using standard form correct to two significant figures. So this is our requirement. We first convert this 177,156,000 into standard form. Place the point over here, move point to this side. So we will get 1.77156 10 to power 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So this is 1, 2, 3. How many zeros? 177, 177, 156, 000. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 177 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So sorry, power is 8. But student, this answer is not acceptable, though this is in standard form, but the requirement is more. Requirement is to give the answer correct to two significant figures. So how many significant figures are 1 2 3 4 5 6? There are two significant figures, but if I convert this 7 to 8 by rounding off, I hope you know the approximation. So this becomes 1.8 10 to power 8. So the requirement is fulfilled. This is in standard form and there are two significant figures. So the population of Nigeria is 1.8 10 to power 8. I hope you understand. Okay. Now see part B. I am rubbing this because I have no space. I hope you understand completely this part. See part B. Part B is complete the following blank. The population of Chad was dash times the population of Namibia. Solution very easy. Now compare two countries population. One is Chad and one is Namibia. Chad is 1.1 10 to power 7. Namibia is 2.2 10 to power 6. So you just divide 2.2 the population of Namibia by the population of Chad. Drop point to point because this is after one decimal, this is after one decimal. So if you cancel this like this, 2.2 upon 1.1, point cancel to point, the answer is 22 upon 11 into 10 to power 6. Move this denominator to numerator side, you will get 11 ones are 11, 11 twos are 22 into 10 to power 6 minus 7 is minus 1. Then 10 to power minus 1 becomes upon 10. 2 ones are 2, 2 5s are 10. So the ratio of the population of Namibia to Chad is 1:5. Therefore, the population of Chad was 5 times the population of Namibia. Hope you understand. This is only 1 mark question. So this is the answer is 5 times the population of Namibia. Hope you understand this part. See the last part of this question. Very interesting part. Very interesting question indeed. C part is the population density of a country is measured as the number of people per square kilometer. It can be found by dividing the population of the country by its area in square kilometer. The area of Sudan is 1.86 10 to power 6 kilometer square. estimate the population density of Sudan. Solution. Question is long, but the answer has 2 lines to cover to complete the answer. How to calculate the population density? It can be found by dividing the population of the country. What is the population of Sudan? 3.6 10 to the power 7 divided by, what is the area of the Sudan which is given? 1.86 10 to the power 6. So first convert this 3.6, put 0 from your side, means if we put 0 there is no difference. Move 6 to this numerator side, becomes 6. Point cancel by cancel. 360 upon 186 into 10 to the power 7 minus 6 is 1. No need to write 1. Cancel out by using a number like 6. 6 are 36. 6 3 are 18. 6 2 are, and our answer is 6 3 are 6 1 are, sorry. So 60 into 10 is 600. 600 upon 31. What is the question? Estimate the population. Estimate means not giving the exact answer. So 600, you can write 31 as 30. So 0 cancel by 0, 3 2s are. So the answer is 20. This is the population density of Sudan. I hope you understand. What is the unit? People per kilometer square. Means in Sudan, in 1 kilometer square, 20 peoples are live. I hope you understand. So student, this is our today's class. I promise you I will give you one more class to this topic for your complete understanding, and kindly before my next lecture do practice more and more and more. Okay, and never subscribe my channel, and never forget to share my videos to your friends as well. And if you feel any difficulty in any question, kindly write in comment box. I promise you I will help you out. Okay students, see you in next class.